So today we can do some questions from the innings 8.2 from the chapter linear equation one variable. So when we take the first question, which is 5y minus 3, which is equal to 9 plus 2y. In here we know that LHS we have a 5 minus 3, then the RHS we have a 9 plus 2y. What we have to do here, that 5y minus 2y. Why? Because this 2y I taken to the left hand side, that's only I can do here. So 5y minus 2y is equal to what? 3y. Then the right hand side you can see that 9 plus 3. Okay, so that 9 plus 3 which is equal to 12. Now then y is equal to 12 by 3. So the answer will become what? Yeah, answer will become 4. So every time remember that we cannot add a variable to a number. Okay, so here you cannot add this 5y with minus 3 as well as this 9 with 2y. So I'll get the y value as what? 4. Okay, now the second question. Four a plus 3 into a plus 1, which is equal to 15 minus 15 minus 3a minus 3. Here also there is an LHS and as well as the RHS. First I will solve the left hand side. It will become 4a plus, we know that when there is a bracket and outside there is a term, we have to multiply. Don't show the partiality, we have to multiply to the both a as well as the 1. So it will become 3a plus 3, which is equal to 15. Okay, 15 minus, see, think about that. Here I am multiplying the negative, which means there is already 1 here. We are not writing because it's 1. So when I am multiplying this negative to inside, it will become minus into 3a, then here minus into minus, which is what? Positive. So plus 3. After opening the bracket, you don't need to put the bracket again. So you will confuse to the next step. So what you have to do, after multiplying to the inside, here also left hand side also, after multiplying this 3 to the both the terms, now need to put the bracket again. Okay, now here we know how to solve. It's same like our previous problem. So 4a plus 3a is what? 7a plus 3. 7a plus 3 is equal to 7a plus 3, which is equal to 15 plus 3. We cannot subtract again a number to a variable. So 15 plus 3, which is 18 minus 3a. Now we can interchange. This minus 3 will come to the left hand side. So 7a plus 3a, which is equal to 18 minus 3. Now 10a is equal to 18 minus 3 is what? We know that 15. Then a is equal to 15 by 10. So this both are divisible with the 5. Always write to the simplest form. We already studied in the class 7. 5 into 3 divided by 5 into 2. So here we know that 5 is common, so we can cancel. So the final answer will be 3 by 2. Now we can move on to the next question. Question number 3, which is C. 0.3 into 2x minus 3, which is equal to 0.4x plus 1.1. Here the only difference I can see is what? Decimal. We have a decimal number. So first do like we done before, 0.3 into 2x, which is 0.6x minus 0.3 into 3, which is minus 0.9, which is equal to the right hand side. We don't need to multiply with any other term. So 0.5, 0.4x plus 1.1. Then this here minus I will change to the right hand side, then this 0.4 I will take to the left hand side. So it will become 0.6x minus 0.4x, which is equal to 1.1 plus 0.9. So here I can subtract it, which I'll get 0.2x, which is equal to 1.1 plus 0.9, which is what, 2. Okay, now x is equal to 2 by 0.2. We already studied that there is a decimal in the division. First we have to do what? See here, 2 doesn't have any decimal to the left of the number, so here left of the number we have decimal, so we can remove. So after decimal, here in the denominator one digit is there, so multiply with 10. So 20 divided by 2 into 10 is what, 20. Then after that put the decimal, so it will become 2. So the answer is become 10. Now we can do the next question. Question number 4, which is D. M minus 4 divided by 4, which is equal to m minus 5 divided by 5. Here also it's simple to the previous question. M minus 5 divided by 5, we can simply cross multiply. Why? There is an equal to here. So whenever there is a fraction is coming with the in the equation, we have to do the cross multiplication. So I will write m minus 4 with the bracket 5, which is equal to m minus 5 in the bracket outside of 4. Why I put the bracket here? Because this 4 have to multiply with the m as well as the 5, and in here 5 has to multiply with the m and the 4. So m minus 4 into 5, which is 5m minus 20, which is equal to 4m minus 20. Now we know that this 4m we can take to the left hand side, so it will become m, then this minus 20 will become this minus 20 is right hand side, then this minus 20 will become, and it will go to the right hand side, it will become positive. So we can write it as m is equal to 0. Now the next question. E. Here they given the question as 3.2 into 2 minus x, which is equal to 0.8 into 2x minus 4. Here also same, we can multiply to the inside. So 3.2 into 2, which is 6.4 minus 3.2x, which is equal to 0.2 into 0.8 into 2, which is 1.6. So 1.6x minus 0.8 into 4, which is 3.2. Now this 3.2x we can take the right hand side, then minus 3.2 to the left hand side. So it will become 6.4 plus 3.2, which is equal to 1.6x plus 3.2x. Okay, so 6.4 plus 3.2, we know that it's 9.6, which is equal to 1.6 plus 3.2, which is 4.8x. Then x is equal to 9.6 divided by 4.8. Here we know that after the decimal same digit is there, so just divide. Okay, so 96 divided by 48, we will get it as 2. So that's the answer for the E. Now we can do the F. The F question, they given us A minus, then 2a minus 5, 2a minus 5, then whole divided by 3, whole divided by 3, whole divided by 3, which is equal to 3 plus a minus 4. Here we had to do carefully because it's not like easy as it seems. So first I have to do the left hand side. So this 3 here, this 3 is the denominator for the 2a minus 5. So here if the a is alone, I told you we have to put the 1. Now find the LCM. So this 3a, 3 we can multiply to here, so it will become 3a minus, then open put the bracket, 2a minus 5, which is whole divided by 3, because why, I found the LCM and I done the math. So which is equal to 3 plus a minus 4. See, here they given us this term in the bracket to make us confused. Why there is a plus in outside of the bracket? So we can just do the math here. 3 minus 4 is what? Minus 1. So minus 1 plus a. Now the next one, here we can solve. I told you, if there is a bracket, and outside there is a negative, what I have to do? I have to make it simplify by multiplying that negative inside. So here I will multiply. So I will get 3a minus 2a minus 2a, then minus into minus, plus 5 whole divided by 3. Okay, then which is equal to here minus 1 plus a. There is no difference in that. Now the next one, so here now I know that 3a minus 2 is what? A. Okay, so a plus 5 divided by 3, which is equal to minus 1 plus a. So here I know that this minus 1 place alone, so I'll put the 1. Now I can do the cross multiplication, because why, there is an equal to in here. So a plus 5, which is equal to minus 1 plus a. Outside the bracket there is a 3 is there. So a plus 5, which is equal to 3 into minus 1, which is minus 3, then plus 3a. Now we know that we can rearrange. So this minus 3 I will take to here, then a will go to the right hand side. So 5 plus 3, which is equal to 3a minus a. Now 8 is equal to 2a, then a is equal to 8 by 2, which is equal to 4. Now we can do the next question. The question is, so many have the doubt in the last two questions, G and H. We will do that carefully. Actually there is a method we have to adopt in that type of questions, otherwise many will get the different answers. Okay, so I'll write the question number G, 5y minus y plus 1 whole divided by 2, which is equal to y minus 1 divided by 4 plus y. Here first of all you should not try to start the LCM. You should not. Why? Because we know that here in the denominator, 2 is there, and here the denominator 4 is there, and here 1, and here also 1. First we can find the LCM of these numbers, 1 2 4 1. So both in the left hand side and RHS we have 1, so no need to take that one. Just find the LCM of the 2 and 4. So which will become, we know that LCM of the 2 and 4, which is equal to 2 into 1, then 2 into 2. So the LCM will become 4. Now next we can do what? We have to multiply this LCM 4 in the numerator to all the terms. I am repeating that word, all the terms you have to multiply this 4. How I will multiply? I will do 5y into 4. Okay, minus I hope that you know that we cannot show the partiality. See, we cannot multiply this 4 to the only this term or this term only. We have to multiply 4 throughout all the terms. So here when I multiply minus 4 into y plus 1. Then here remember that this y plus 1 should be inside the bracket. Then here also I am multiplying, and whole divided by 2 is there. Then here also y minus 1 divided by 4 into 4 I had to multiply, plus y here y into 4, so which will also become 4y. I will erase this portion. So it will become y minus 1 divided by 4 into 4 plus 4y. So in the next step I know that 5y into 4 is what? 20y. So 20y. Then here it starts, so which means this 4 and 2 when I divide I can cancel, and it will become 2 here. So here minus 2 into y. Now I am doing simultaneously minus 2 into y, which is minus 2y, then minus 2 into 1, which is minus 2, which is equal to, here also this 4 and 4 will get cancelled, so y minus 1 plus 4y. Now in the next step I can write 20y minus 2y. This 20y minus 2y I can write it as 18y. So 18y minus 2, which is equal to, here y plus 4y, which is 5y minus 1. Now I can rearrange this. 5y will go to the left hand side, it will become 13y, which is equal to minus 1 plus 2, minus 1 plus 2, so it will become y is equal to minus 1 plus 2 is what? 1. So 1 by 13. So here we should get the value 1 by 13 by this one. So I will repeat one more time. Here you have to find the LCM. Why we are finding the LCM? To reduce the fractions to a simpler form. Okay, so after multiplying this 4, which is our LCM, to these two terms, okay, we will get an expression, a linear equation which doesn't have any fraction, okay, other than the 1. Now we can do the next question, which is the last question, which is x minus 2 divided by 3 minus in bracket 3 minus 4 minus x minus 3 divided by 2, which is equal to the x minus 5 divided by 6 minus x. See, here we had to do it carefully like we done in the previous. First we had to find the LCM. So here out of these 4 numbers, 3, 4, 2 and 6, I marked with that green round. First I can find the LCM. How I will find? 3, 4, then 2, 6. Okay, so I will find the LCM. 2, 3, then here 2, then here 1, then 2 into 3. Now I know that here I can multiply to find the LCM, but before that there is 2, 3 here. I'll do again 3 into 1, then 2, then 1, then again 1. So LCM I will get it as 2 into 3 into 2, which is equal to 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 2, which is 12. So I got the LCM as 12. Now I will solve. Now I have to multiply this 12 to the all the term in this expression. So I will start from here, which is x minus 2 divided by 3. I will multiply with the 12. Why I am multiplying with the 12? Because 12 is the LCM. Minus 3 by 4. Okay, put inside the bracket 12, then minus x minus 3 divided by 2 into 12, which is equal to x minus 5 divided by 6 into 12 minus 12x. So don't forget, make sure that you multiply this 12 to the all the terms. So if I multiply this 12 to here, I can cancel, so it will become 4 into x minus 2 minus, then here 3 by 4 into 12 is what? Yeah, I can write it as, I can cancel this 4 and 12, so 4 into 3, so 3 into 3 is what? 9, minus this 2 and 12 I can cancel, So it will become x minus 3 outside of the bracket there is an 6. Okay, then close this bracket, which is equal to, here x minus 5 divided by 6 into 12, I can write it as x minus 5 outside the bracket 2, then minus 12x. Now in the next step we can open the bracket. So here 4 into x minus 2, I will write it as 4x 4x minus 8 minus then 9, here minus 6 into x, so minus 6x, then minus into minus positive, which is plus 6 into 3 18. Okay, which is equal to this my negative and this 6x, then minus into minus plus. Okay, now 2 I can multiply to inside, 2x minus 10 will come minus 12x. Okay, so here I am writing as 2x minus 10 minus 12x. Now in the next step I can multiply this negative to the inside of the bracket, so which will become 4x minus 8, then minus 9. Okay, minus 9. No, it's better to do the simplification here, otherwise we will get the extra terms. So I will erase this one again. Okay, then here in bracket I know that 9 and 18 is there, so 9 plus 18 is what? 27. So when I open the bracket I will get the minus 27, then minus into minus plus, plus 6s will come, which is equal to 2x minus 12x, so minus 10x minus 10 will come. Okay, now here minus 8 minus 27, then 6x and 4x, I can simplify that. First 4x plus 6x is what? 10x, then minus 8 minus 27, which is minus 35, which is equal to here in the right hand side we cannot solve this both. Why? Because one have the x term, other have the number, so minus 10x minus 10. Then in the next step we can write as, we can rearrange the terms so that we can write 10x 10x plus 10x, which is equal to this 35 will go to the right hand side, so minus 10 plus 35. Now I can write 20x is equal to 25. Why? Because minus and positive, first we have to do the subtraction, then we have to put the sign of the greater number. Then x is equal to 25 by 20, which I can solve using 5 into 5 divided by 5 into 4. So the final answer will be 5 by 4. Okay, so practice this question, then do well. All the best.